Hello, in this video I want to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the VIVO V60E. Alright, before we launch our WhatsApp, we need to open up the settings. Now scroll all the way down until you find the Google. And in here, we need to make sure that we are logged into the same Google account that we have selected when we are creating a backup before. If you'll be logged into wrong account, you won't be able to restore your chats. So simply check, are you logged into proper account? Now, once we have checked that, we can open up our WhatsApp. As you can see, the app welcomes us. We need to select our language and click on agree and continue. We can allow to send us the notifications, and now in here, in that place, we need to type our phone number. You can do it manually, or you can simply click on what's my number, then click on continue, click on allow, and it will be automatically copied. Then click on use and click on next. Now we also need to verify our phone number using one of two methods. We have missed call and also code from the SMS message. You just need to simply select which method you like the most. Currently, automatically, the missed call function is selected. You can see it right in here. If you want to use another way, click on this button down below. I'll use the missed call, so click on continue, click on allow. We need to wait a little bit. Alright, automatically verified. And now, click on continue. Now allow for everything. And select restore from backup. Now, click on continue. That's the moment when you can restore your chats. Don't click on skip, because if you skip that step, you won't be able to restore later. So we need to do it right now. So let's click on continue. Now you can see that my chats are being restored from this account, and that's the account that I have shown you in my settings that I'm currently logged into. Alright, 12 messages restored. The media will restore in the background, so let's click on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you want. Then click on next. Okay, we are ready to use our WhatsApp. Now I'll show you that everything has been restored, including videos and photos, and of course normal messages. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.